the previous class we learnt about exterior angle property of a triangle. We learnt that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two interior opposite angles. Students, now let us start our today's class with a remarkable and important property of a triangle connecting the three angles of the triangle. Students, let us draw a triangle and cut the three angles and rearrange them as shown in the figure. Here, students, the three angles now constitute one angle. This angle is a straight angle. You know what is the measure of a straight angle? The measure of a straight angle is 180 degree. So what can we say about the sum of the three angles of a triangle? Thus the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Next, the same fact you can observe in a different way also. Take three copies of any triangle, say ABC. We can arrange them as shown in the figure. What do you observe here about the sum of angle 1 plus 2 plus 3? Here also the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Students, you can also verify this property by drawing some triangles and measuring the interior angles of the triangles and finding the sum of these angles. Allowing marginal errors in measurement, you will find that the sum of the measures of three angles is always 180 degree. So students, what we can conclude? We can conclude that the total measure of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Students, we can also verify the angle sum property by using the exterior angle property. Here, the triangle is given ABC in which the side BC is produced to D to form the exterior angle ACD. It is marked as angle 4 and angle 1, 2 and 3 are the interior angles of the triangle and angle 4 is the exterior angle. So here we have to verify that angle 1 plus 2 is. So here we have to verify that angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180 degrees. So here we can verify it by using the exterior angle property. Here by exterior angle property, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Angle 4 is the exterior angle and angle 1 and 2 are the interior opposite angles. So by exterior angle property we can write angle 1 plus 2 is angle 4. Now adding 3 to both sides. Adding angle 3 to both sides. We get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 3. Here in this equation angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. We added angle 3 to both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. We get angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to angle 4 plus 3. Now from the figure we can observe that angle 4 and angle 3 plus 4, they are forming a linear pair. So the sum of these two angles, angle 3 and angle 4 is 180 degree. So here angle 4 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming a linear pair. Angle 4 and 3 are forming a linear pair. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, because angle 4 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. From the figure you can observe that they are forming a linear pair, and you know that the linear pair angles that measure sum up to 180 degree. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 are the interior angles of the triangle, that is their sum is equal to 180 degree. So we have verified the property, that is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now students, let us solve some questions from the exercise 6.3 based on the property angle sum property of a triangle. So here the first question is, find the value of unknown x in the following diagrams. Some diagrams are given here. You have to find the value of x. So the first one is here in triangle ABC. Angle B is 50 degree, angle C is 60 degree, and angle A it is x. We have to find this value. So by angle sum property of a triangle, the angle sum property of a triangle states that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So by angle sum property of a triangle, we can write that measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here the measure of angle A is not given, it is x here. Measure of angle B is 50 degree. Measure of angle C is 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus 50 plus 60 is 110 degree. X plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Here when we transpose this plus 110 to right hand side, it becomes minus 110. So x is equal to 180 minus 110, it is 70 degree. So the value of x is 70 degree here. Next the question here, question number 2. Here in this diagram, angle Q is given 30 degree and angle R it is not given, it is given here x, and angle P is also not given. So students, you know that what does this mark mean? It means that it is equal to 90 degree. So it is a right angle. So it is equal to 90 degree. So by angle sum property of a triangle, what we can write, measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degree, because the angle sum property of a triangle states that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here what is the measure of angle P? It is 90 degree because it is a right angle. Next measure of angle Q is 30 degree given, and measure of angle R it is not given, it is given as x. So we have to find this value x. 90 plus 30 is 120 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So x is here 60 degree. So the value of unknown angle x here it is 60 degree. Next question number 3 here. In triangle XYZ, the measures of angle x and y are given. We have to find the measure of angle z. So here by angle sum property of a triangle, by angle sum property of a triangle, we can write the measure of angle x plus measure of angle y plus measure of angle z is equal to 180 degree, because the angle sum property states that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here measure of angle x is 30 degree, measure of angle y is here 110 degree, and measure of z it is not given, it is x here. So here 30 degree plus 110 degree is 140 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree, that is x is equal to 40 degree. Here we have transposed this 140 plus 140 to the right hand side, so it becomes minus 140. So x is equal to 40 degree is the unknown angle here. Next question is question number 4. Here in this diagram we have to find the unknown value of x. Here two angles are unknown here. Same by angle sum property of a triangle, by angle sum property of a triangle. We can write the sum of the measures of these angles is 180 degree. That is x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. So here x plus x is 2x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree, or 2x is equal to 180 minus 50. 2x is equal to 130 degree. 180 minus 50 is 130, or dividing both sides by 2 we get x is equal to 130 by 2. So here it is 2 6 are 12, 1 remaining 10, 65 degree. The value of x is 65 degree each. So these two angles each are 65 degree and 65 degree. The next question, question number 5. Here all the three angles are equally and all are x here. We have to find the angles. So by angle sum property of a triangle, we can write the sum of the measures of these three angles, x plus x is 180 degree. So here the sum of the measures of these three angles is 180 degree. So when we add these three, we get 3x is equal to 180 degree. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 180 degree by 3. Here 3 6 are 18, 0, 60 degree. So x is 60 degree here. Each of the angles of the triangle are 60 degree here. Next, question number 6. Here by angle sum property of a triangle, we can write the sum of the measures of these three angles is 180 degree. That is here x plus 2x plus, what is the measure of this angle? This symbol, it means that it is equal to 90 degree. This symbol shows that it is equal to 90 degree. It is a right angle, so it is 90 degree. So x plus 2x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. X plus 2x is 3x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. 3x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. 3x is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. So dividing both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 90 by 3. So it is 3 3s are 9, 0, 30 degree. So what the value of x is 30 degree here. So the two angles are, the first one is 30 degree and the second one is 2 into 30, 60 degree. First angle is it is x here, it is 30 degree, and the second angle 2 into x, that is 2 into 30, 60 degree, and the third one is 90 degree. The sum of these three angles, 30 plus 60 plus 90, is 180 degree. Next question, question number 2. Find the value of unknown x and y in the following diagrams. यहाँ पर जो है आपको x और y दोनों का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. दो यहाँ पर अननोन एंगल्स है, इसको फाइंड आउट करना है. So we will here using the angle sum property, linear pair, exterior angle property and vertically opposite angle are equal. ये सारे प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करके हमें क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट वन इज y plus 120 degree. Y plus 120, these two angles, this exterior angle 120 degree and y, they are forming a linear pair. Y plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree because they are forming a linear pair. So what we get, y is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Now we have found the value of y. Now in this triangle, the sum of the measures of these three angles will be equal to 180 degree. That is x plus 50 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of a angle sum property of a triangle. So here x we don't know. We have found the value of y as 60 degree. We will substitute here y as 60 degree. So here x plus 50 plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus 50 plus 60 is 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now the value of x will be 180 minus 110 degree, that is it is equal to 70 degree. So the value of x is 70 degree and the value of y is 60 degree. So here you can write the answer as x is equal to 70 degree, y is equal to 60 degree. The next question, question number 2 here. Here in this figure we have to find the value of x and y. Both interior angles x and y are unknown here and only one angle 50 degrees given here. Now here you can observe here that this 80 degree and y, they are vertically opposite angles. So here we can write y is equal to 80 degree, y, they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are so here y is equal to 80 degree. Now in this triangle, angle x plus y plus 50 degree. The measures of these three angles will sum up to 180 degree. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So here x plus y plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. So here what is the measure of x? We don't know. The measure of y we have found here, it is 80 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus 80 plus 50, it is 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. So the value of x is 50 degree and the value of y is 80 degree. So x is equal to 50 degree, y is equal to 80 degree. The next question, here the figure is like this. Here 50 degree, this angle is 60 degree and this one is unknown here, it is y and it is also unknown x. So we have to find this unknown angles x and y. Now here in the triangle we can see that this y plus this angle y plus 50 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Because we know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here by angle sum property of a triangle, we can write the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. So here y plus 50 plus 60 is 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. So y it will be equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, that is 70 degree. So the value of y is 70 degree. Now the measure of angle y is 70 degree. Now we can observe from the figure here that x plus y, these two angles, they are forming a linear pair. So what will be the value of x plus y? It will be equal to 180 degree. X plus y both are forming a linear pair. So the value of y is 70 degree. X plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. So what will be the value of x? It will be 180 minus 70 degree. It is equal to 110 degree. The value of x is 110 degree. So x is equal to 110 degree, y is equal to 70. The next question here, the three angles are given, they are x, x and y. So here this angle is given, here it is 90 degree. So here you can observe from the figure that y is equal to 90 degree, y, they are vertically opposite angles. Now you know that vertically opposite angles are equal. When two lines intersect each other, vertically opposite angles are formed and they are equal. So these two angles 90 degree and y, they are equal, so y is equal to 90 degree. Now in this triangle the interior angles are y, x and x. The sum of these three angles y plus x is equal to 180 degree. Here the sum of the measures of these three angles. यहाँ पर जो हम sum of these three angles बोलते हैं, यहाँ पर इसका मतलब होता है इसको एंगल का मेजर्स का सम यहाँ पर y plus x is equal to 180 degree. Here y you know it is 90 degree. X plus x is 2x. It is equal to 180 degree. Now the next step, 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. We have transposed this plus 90 to the RHS. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, it is 90 degree. Next, x, dividing both sides by x, we get x is equal to 90 degree by 2. It is 45 degree. X is 45 degree here. So the value of x is 45 degree and the value of y is 90 degree. The next question here, number 5. Here we have to find the value of x and y. Here we can observe from the figure that these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So what we can write, x is equal to 60 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles and you know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So here x is 60 degree. Now in this triangle, these three angles, the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. So angle x plus y plus 30 degree. The sum of the measures of these three angles is 180 degree. Now x is 60 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. That is y plus 60 plus 30 is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, or y is equal to 180 minus 90. We have transposed plus 90 to the RHS, it becomes minus 90. So what is the value of y? Y is here 180 minus 90, it is 90 degree. So the answer is x is equal to, x is 60 degree and y is 90 degree. Now here question number 6 here, you can observe from the figure the value of any angle is not given here. All the angles are marked here, x and y. We don't know any of the angle here. So how will we find out the measures of x and y? Here from the figure you can observe that this angle x and y, they are vertically opposite angles. So angle x is equal to y we can write because they are vertically opposite angles. Angle x and y are equal here, they are vertically opposite angles. So here this angle will be equal to, these two angles will also be equal to x because these two are vertically opposite angles, and these two angles, this angle is x, so this will also will be equal to x. So here in this triangle all the three angles are x, here y is also equal to x. All the three angles are x, that is all the three angles are equal here. So by angle sum property we can write x plus x because these two angles are x. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles and these are also vertically opposite angles, and here x and y is also vertically opposite angles. So x will be equal to y. So in the place of y here, x plus y, we can write x. So x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. So the value of x is here 60 degree and the value of y is also 60 degree because here x and y both are equal here. All the three angles are equal here and each one is equal to 60 degree here. Students, the next question here, the angles of a triangle are 30 degree and 80 degree. Find the third angle. Here the two angles are given 30 degree and 80 degree. We have to find the third angle. So students, let the third angle be x. We will assume that the third angle is x. इससे पहले हमने जो भी क्वेश्चंस किया था उसमें जो है फिगर्स थे, उसमें से हमने जो है अननोन एंगल्स को फाइंड किया था. यहाँ पर जो है स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है, दो एंगल का मेजर दिया हुआ है, थर्ड एंगल हमें फाइंड करना है, तो उसको हमने x मान लिया. नाउ बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल, बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल, we can write the sum of the measures of the three angles is 180 degree, that is x plus 30 degree plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree here. So what is x plus 80 degree plus 30 degree is 110 degree. So it is equal to 180 degree. So what is the measure of x? X here is 180 minus 110 degree. So x is equal to 70 degree here. So the measure, therefore the measure of third angle is, the measure of third angle is 70 degree here. Now students, one more question here. The three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:1. Find all the angles of the triangle and also classify the triangle in two different ways. Here the three angles are not given, the ratio of the three angles are given. So let the three angles be x, 2x and x. So the three angles are x, 2x and x. Now by angle sum property of a triangle we can write x plus 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree here. So x plus 2x plus x is, it is 4x here. 4x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree divided by 4. 4 4s are 16, 2 remaining 20, 4 5s are 20. So x is 45 degree here. X is 45 degree. Now the value of 2x will be 2 into 45 degree, that is 90 degree. So the angles are, the three angles are, therefore the three angles are (45 degree and 90 degree. Now classify the triangle in two different ways. Here you can see that one of the angle is 90 degree, so we can say that it is a right angle triangle. We can also draw the triangle here. It is a right angle triangle. One of the angle is 90 degree here and the other two angles are equal. They are both 45 degree. So here one more property, you know, the angles are here equal here. This, the sides opposite to these equal angles are also equal. The side opposite to 45 degree is this side and the side opposite to this 45 degree is this one. So these two sides are also equal here. So we can write this as, classify this triangle as right angle triangle, or we can also say it is a isosceles triangle. That is, it is an isosceles right angle triangle. isosceles right angle triangle. Students, I hope you have understood all the concepts taught today. Thank you, students.